Good morning, everyone. Shame has been in the commentary of the affirmation meditations we've been doing, so I thought I'd do an extra one, especially around shame. Everyone's done things in their past that they want to release. Everyone's done things in their past that they don't feel 100% good about. It doesn't mean we can't live our best life from this moment forwards. So for shame, I always think your heart is involved because that's why it's hurting. It's why you feel guilt and shame. But we need our conscious brain, which is the frontal cortex. We need our conscious brain up and running to allow us to forgive ourselves so that we can move forward. So hand on the heart, hand on the forehead. I release all shame from all of the cells in my body. I release all guilt from every cell in my body. Only messages of kindness and happiness live here. The universe needs my strength and confidence, and no one can tell me what my soul looks like. What a joy it is to throw off burdensome memories. Mistakes are part of our shared humanity, and we want people around us that know that we are just like them, never perfect or above other human beings. Sometimes it shows an act of real courage to stand up for yourself, release the past, and move forward with your future. I am courageous. I release all shame and guilt from my cells. I move forward in life knowing my shame and guilt has been released from my past. I walk into the future as a better version of myself. My aim is to be the best I can be and live my true life. Shake it off, shake it off, shake it off. Hopefully everyone has a fabulous day. Release that shame. Have a fantastic weekend. Talk to you all soon.